Hello guys, time for some fun then. So in this session I'm just going to show you an interesting game using typography. So not exactly typography, we're going to use some text in this game, that's it. So let me just open my browser here and I have this particular site called as shape.method.ac. So it's an website where you can just find this particular game. So it's a pretty simple game. You just have to shape this letter perfectly. So when you first open this site, you get this particular screen here, and here it says drag to get started. So let me just drag, yep. And you can see there are lots of tangents here. So it's like a letter formed using a shape tool. So if you know much about a pen tool in Photoshop, you might understand this much better. So you just need to initiate this game now. So let me just drag and put it inside this particular hole there, and we've got some shape. I think it's still missing. Yep. Okay, so that's our first attempt, and now let's get on with the game then. So wherever you see this particular pink color dot, you just need to make sure that that something is wrong with that particular area. So that portion is something is wrong there, so you just need to fix that portion there. So I think it's probably because of the curvy part here, so I just need to fix that here. So I'm just pulling it. These lines are called as tangents. So as I already mentioned, if you know how to use a pen tool, I think that's pretty easy. So I think this should be fine. So once you feel that you have somewhere or other you have fixed this, just go ahead and click compare, and it's going to tell you how accurate it is. So the similarity is 85%. Okay, that's pretty good. So you can notice here that there is a very slight difference here. So that is the difference between our shape and the original shape of the Q letter. So let's click next. If you just want to see the original letter, you can just see it. You can see there is a small change there, and our letter, it's this one. So very minute change there. So that's good. We have got 85% similarity. That's a good thing. So next, 9 remaining. Okay, now let's go ahead and fix this thing. So okay, now I see 2 different pink dots at the same place. I can just pull like this, something like this, and this one as well. Make sure that it has a really nice curvy shape. Okay, just click once, and I think, yeah, that looks fine. Let's see, compare. Okay, that's cool, 82%. That's really good. And let's try one more then, one last time. Okay, that's really hard. Okay, so maybe I should try something like this. Yeah, that looks fine. And maybe something like this, and probably I think that looks, no, not really. Okay, that looks fine. Now let's just fix this one as well, like this, and let's compare and see. Okay, that's bad, 50%. So yeah, so I think that's an interesting game here. You just get different shapes of all the text here. So you can just go ahead and try it out and see. It's kind of an addictive game, so you just, once you start playing it, you just, unless and until you get 100% similarity, you won't stop playing it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next session then.